Learning magic. Long ago, a man named Sung longed to be a magician. So one day he went to a temple. He saw a priest with long hair sitting on a rush mat. He bowed and asked the priest if he could teach him magic. "I guess you are not strong enough for that," replied the priest. Sung begged to the priest to let him try. The priest allowed him to stay in the temple and join with the other pupils. Early next morning, the priest sent for him. The priest gave him a hatchet and asked him to go out and cut firewood. He did this every day for a month. At last, his hands and feet were so sore that he secretly began to wish to go back home. One evening, when he returned from the day's work, he found two strangers drinking wine with the priest. The magic of paper. It was dark, but no candles had been brought in yet. So the priest took a pair of scissors and cut out a round piece of paper and stuck it upon the wall. At once it became bright as the moon and lighted up the whole room. One of the strangers took a kettle of wine and told the pupils to help themselves. Sung wondered how they would all drink out of such a small kettle, but he was astonished to see that not only everybody had his fill, but also the wine was left in the kettle. "Now we must bid you good night, as we are going to drink a glass of wine in the palace of the moon," said one of the strangers. Then they walked into the moon, where they could be seen talking and drinking together. The priest. Gradually the moon began to fade. When the pupils brought lighted candles, they saw the priest sitting alone in the dark, with a piece of paper on the wall. The priest now asked them to sleep so that they might get up early in the morning to collect firewood. Sung could not stand this any longer. He went to the priest and said, "For the 3 months I have been here doing nothing but chopping firewood. Now I want to go back home." "I told you that you were not strong enough. You can go home tomorrow," said the priest. Sung asked the priest to teach him at least some little tricks so that he might not regret having come a long way for nothing. "What trick would you like to learn?" asked the priest. "Well," replied Sung, "I want to walk through the walls as you walk through them." Sung's magic. The priest laughed and told him to say, "Hobbery jibbery snobbery snoo." While walking through the wall, Sung walked up to the wall but couldn't walk through. So the priest said, "Don't go slowly, put your head down and run fast." Sung did as he was told and immediately found himself outside the temple. Overjoyed, he went in to thank the priest. The priest told him to be careful and not to show off too much. When Sung reached home, he bragged about his magic, but no one believed him. In order to prove himself, he put his head down and rushed at a wall, but he only hit the bricks very hard and was knocked down flat on the ground. Now he had a bump on his forehead as big as an egg. People burst out laughing.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.